Happy May, everyone. This is Vintage Vinny, and I am coming at you all today with my April eBay sales update video. I do have a haul that I want to film for you all, but I just felt that I needed to build up more stuff. And I've also been really busy listing the last few days. I don't know if you guys know, my birthday was on Monday. I turned 23. And I decided to take kind of a long weekend. And I've been spending that time cleaning up and putting stuff up on eBay, and I've got a few things for Amazon that I gotta put out. And yeah, so I've been pretty much busy focusing on my other job. And without further ado, let's get into the sales update video for April. Alright, very first item that sold for the month of April happens to be this Hurricane Spin Mop Dolly bucket holder. I got these. I actually got 3 of them for $1.49 each. This one I took a best offer of $15.99 with the buyer paying shipping. Brand new, never opened. I've actually seen the actual Spin Mop Dolly at Walmart, and even there it's like 40 bucks. So to get an accessory like that and to know that people are going to pay up for it is fantastic. And just to note, I did not get this at Walmart. Next item is something that I picked up at the local Goodwill. I paid $2.59 for it, and I did take a best offer of $22 just to get it out of here because I'm really trying to move my merchandise just so that way I can make room for the new. Alright, the next item that sold happens to be another Aeropostale shirt. This is just a gray extra large t-shirt. Again, I picked this up at the Aeropostale store, not intending on selling it because at the time we were moving, or we had just moved here, and, you know, it was like, oh, new start, let's start rummaging through all your old stuff and start getting some newer stuff in. Well, not old, but like stuff that I'd had for a while, stuff that I outgrown, stuff that I just didn't want to wear anymore, and I saw this. This shirt, I think, actually cost me about $6.99, but it was on clearance at the outlet store, so I probably got it for maybe like $4, so I didn't make too much of a profit, but it was better than donating it. So it is brand new with tags. It was something that was just released last year, so it's not like it's an old shirt. But I sold it for $7.99 and the buyer paid shipping. About a week or so after I had sold it, the customer send me an email saying they wanted to return it because they thought it was an XXL, and I'm thinking to myself, are you serious? I put extra large in the title, so of course, doing customer service, I accepted the return, and I never got the item back by the expected date. So what I did was I contacted eBay and informed them about that, saying, hey, look, you know, I accepted a return and I never received the item back. I wasn't going to refund the person because I never got the item back. And I think, I don't know if they were trying to scheme me or if they changed their mind, but I've been schemed once and I learned from that one mistake and I'm never doing it again. So I'm never refunding anybody until I get my item back, and I got the money back and the shipping that was pending in my PayPal account. So I'm really happy about that. So they can't try to return it now. So yeah, that's the little story with that. This was a really, really good pickup on my part. This is a Vicky Teal Paris Couture perfume. It's 3.3 fluid ounces. I paid $3 for it at one of my Goodwills, and I did take a best offer of $35. It's completely full. It almost looks like a Chanel No. 5 bottle, and the only reason I know that is because at Marshall's we sell a lot of really nice matted framed pictures of Coco Chanel's Chanel No. 5. So that's how I know that that kind of almost looks like it. So to go from $3 to $35 is a really, really good return on investment, I think. So if you ever see this when you're out garage sailing, or if you're looking in the cosmetics section in a thrift store, if they have it with all their perfumes and stuff, definitely if you see this, pick it up because it does sell for good money. People do pay up for it. Another excellent item is this Organic Facial Repair Serum by Coco Kind. I did open it to see if it was new, and apparently the the bottle itself had leaked, or something was leaking in it, and I did mention that in the description, and I still sold it for $12.99. Funny enough, this product is actually sold at Marshall's. I think it's like $9. So I was able to sell it for just a little bit more, and I paid 99 cents. Again, that came from the Goodwill. Alright, I got another spin mop dolly that happened to sell. And this one again paid $1.49 for it, and I sold it for a best offer of $19. So that was good. So that's now $34 under my belt. $35. Yeah, $35 that I've now made from $3. So that's pretty good, I think. And the last item that I want to share with you all that I sold in the month of April happened to be these 1979 Fibercraft Easter Ducks on Parade crafting kits. Easter ducks, sorry. As you can see, the packaging on these is pretty darn beat up. It's been thrown around for the last almost 4 decades. Kits are brand new and sealed. I did have them up for $19.99, and then I lowered the price down to $16.99. Someone offered me a best offer of $10, and I just decided to take it just to get rid of them. And I only paid 50 cents a piece for them, so a $5 return for those each was pretty good. So yeah, this is a quick little sales update for you all today. If you like this, please give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment below. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed. If you'd like to follow me on other social media, just follow the links down below in the description box. And thank you so much for watching.